Hi everyone, I hope you are fine and doing good. In this video, we're going to learn how to write a slope-intercept form of a linear equation if 2 points are given. Alright then, let's start the video. You can see there, the question is, write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line passing through 1 minus 3 and minus 5 minus 4. Okay, we have to convert these points into a slope-intercept form. Before doing anything, I will going to plot these points on this grid paper. Let's do it. Okay, the first point is 1 and minus 3, means x equal to 1 and y is minus 3. This should be the point. We place a point here. The second point is x equal to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 4. It means minus 4 and minus 5 and minus 4. This should be the point. Okay, let's join them with the help of a line. Okay, this is the line. I can extend the line too. All right. Okay, it means we want to convert this line into a slope-intercept form. Okay, we know that the general form of a slope-intercept form is y equals to, let me change the color of my pen, and yeah, I think, okay, y equals to mx plus b. X and y are 2 points, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept is the point where the line crossing the y-axis. First of all, we need to figure out the slope of this line. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I will be using the slope formula, that is m equals to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. They have already given us 2 points. I can write this one as x1 comma y1. It means our x1 is 1 and y1 is minus 3, and this point should be x2 and y2. It means x2 is minus 5 and y2 is minus 4. Now let's plug in these values in this slope formula. y2 is minus 4, then minus y1 is also minus 3, a small bracket here because we have negative number, divided by x2. x2 is minus 5 minus x1 is a positive number, that is 1. Okay, it should be minus 4. We know that minus times minus will give you positive 3. It should be positive, divided by, you are adding 2 negative numbers, minus 5 minus 1 will give you minus 6. Okay, it means it should be minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1 divided by minus 6. It means our slope is 1 by 6. Okay, this is our slope, the m value. Okay, we got the m value. Now we have to figure out the b value. If you can look at the grid paper, on this grid paper we cannot see what is the b value accurately. It's somewhere between minus 3 to minus 4, more close to minus 3. Okay, but we cannot figure it out by looking at the graph. It means we have to use some different method. What we're gonna do, we'll be using a mathematical method to figure out the b value. Okay, what I'm gonna do, we have this equation y equals to m, that is 1 by 6, x plus b. They have already given us 2 points, x1, y1, x2 and y2. I will be using a pair of point. For example, I will be using either 1 or minus 3 or minus 5 and minus 4 to figure out the b value. I'm going to replace the x and y value with this, the first point, x equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 3. Okay, let's plug in the value here. Y is minus 3 equals to 1 by 6, x is 1 plus b. Now we have to make b the subject here. I'm going to shift 1 by 6 to the left hand side. It would be minus 3 and minus 1 by 6 equals to b. Now we have to simplify this one. We know that if there is no denominator, it will always be 1. I have to make denominator equals so that we can add the numerators, and for that I have to figure out the LCM of 6 and 1. We know that the LCM of 6 and 1 will be 6. It means both denominators should be 6. We already have 6 here. I have to make this one 6 too. It means I'm going to multiply this one by 6, and I will be doing the same thing with the numerator, multiplying it by 6. Okay, 6 times minus 3 will give you minus 18 divided by 6 and minus 1 by 6 equals to b. Now we have the same denominator. It means we can add the numerators. Minus 1, minus 18 minus 1 will give you minus 19 divided by 6. Okay, we got the b value. Let me write it pretty clearly. Okay, it means b value is minus 19 minus 19 divided by 6. Okay, we got the m value, we have the b value. Now we're going to plug in these two values into the standard form, the general form of a slope-intercept form. That is y equals to mx plus b. M was 1 by 6 x, and the b value is minus 19 divided by 6. Okay, you can see there we got the answer in slope-intercept form. In today's lesson, we have learned how to write a slope-intercept form of a linear equation if 2 points are given. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to see some more of these type of videos, please like and subscribe my channel. See you soon with the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.